Hi, welcome to the shop. My name is Heiko. Today I want to show you how to fill in cracks in wood with liquid metal and how to create metal inlays into wooden surfaces. The best of it, it's with very easy tools so everybody can do. Let's go! These are our tri pieces now. First we have an old piece of wood with a drying crack. I cleaned up that crack. The reason I chose this one is I want to see how fine we can get with filling cracks. If it is necessary to open it up wider, because there must be a boundary how small you can get to fill it really good with a liquid metal. Yeah, this is the reason I chose this one. Next is with three different Forstner bit drills. I just want to see how this shape can be filled and how good the metal holds into the wood. And the last one is a freehand carving with a router. So this is maybe 5 millimeters in depth, so 0.2 inches. We will see how good the metal fills in this one and how good it holds. Let's start. Alright, if it comes to the question now how liquid the whole thing is, this tin lake was coming through this little crack. Yeah, here we go. This little crack. So this is how liquid it is. So you really want to wait until there is kind of skin on the surface of the metal. So you not take it as it is in the first place, leave it a little bit, give it a little bit more temperature, so this more liquid will not cool down as fast. It leads to better results and to more liquid metal. So as you can see, back here it is still liquid, but where the metal is, the heat is already gone. And the second thing I noticed is that you have always a little kind of rest in here. I think this is a kind of oxide and all the dirt and all that stuff, so don't go to the very last part, because this will be not good anymore. I show you what I mean. You see, this is something you can't use for pouring metal. Here I'm testing now how good the metal holds in the wood, and it seems that if you have a very long thin hole, for example, it will hold by itself, but over time maybe it gets loose. So in my opinion, it is better to anchor the whole metal piece with a kind of screw or other mechanical lock to hold it in place over the time. As you can see, I made one test piece with a screw as an anchor, and you can see how good that holds in the wood compared to the other pieces. Yeah. So you have it, a metal heart. Nice, but not what we wanted. So even here there has to be a kind of lock in there. Alright, our first metal pouring experience is over, and I think it is a very good start to go on with that. I have 3 lessons learned from the whole procedure. First is, it is very easy to do. Very basic tools. You can buy this tin all over the internet. That's nothing special, very easy. Second thing is, if you have fine structures like I had with this carve out, you have to make a kind of lock so that the metal stays in place with a screw, with a nail. Very easy. Third thing is, if it comes to sanding, if we use a machine to sand the whole surface, then we leave little metal particles in the wood. That leads to a kind of grayish finish. To remove that, I took a piece of sandpaper and just give the rest of the wood a very light sanding. Took a minute or two, and then all the metal particles had been removed. So this is very easy as well, and then the finish is really nice. Yeah. If you have any additional questions to the project, post a comment below, I will return to you. If you like that project, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming projects and my bad English. Yeah. So I hope I see you soon. Happy crafting.